Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about a new partner for Crypto.com. Again, a brand new brand ambassador for this exchange, guys. Matt Damon is now stepping out of limelight for Crypto.com, and there is a new face, it seems, to Crypto.com. Going to be very interesting to see where this goes. Welcome to Eminem, aka Marshall Mathers, the rapper, the one and only rapper, guys. He is now partnered with Crypto.com. This is huge news for this exchange today. Also, we had some other exciting things. Let's talk about the CRO Coin token, what's happening in the market today with crypto overall, and what this partnership means, and what we can expect as we're waiting to see if South Korea is going to accept Crypto.com as a exchange to offer these crypto products to their citizens. We're waiting on that, guys. A lot of news to go over. Welcome back, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and let's get in. So Bitcoin today hit $63,000, which is nothing really crazy. It's down a little bit today. Still stuck between that $60,000 to $70,000 price region we've been at for a while. If you look at the overall market, we have a couple tokens that are up a little bit today, and CRONOS is actually one of the top gainers today, which is not a big deal. It's only up 1.27%, but what's interesting is a lot of tokens are down today, 9, 8, 7%. Crypto.com's holding very strong right now, guys. When you look at where the CRO Coin is currently at the time of this recording, it's at rank number 30 with a $3.4 billion market cap. Again, up on the week, up on the day, holding pretty strong on a day where you see a lot of red movers on the last 24 hours. Now, part of the reason for the excitement and the price strength for CRO Coin today is potentially this. Now, Crypto.com's got 2.8 million followers, which you might think is a big deal. And obviously, they have their own ad, a brand new ad that they put out here that they're pinning to their profile. But the big story is now a 22 million follower account, Marshall Mathers, Eminem. Lose yourself in the music the moment you crow it. That's what I'm talking about, guys. The rapper, guys. He is now a brand ambassador. He is a partner with Crypto.com, tweeting out this new ad that they put out there, which is awesome, featuring some of the UFC fighters, featuring the Staples Center, the Crypto.com Arena. How could I get that wrong? My partner, Black C, put out this beautiful tweet showing this is huge for Crypto.com. It is partnering more and more with the club. What does he mean by that? He means, guys, the celebrities, the big players in the space. The Staples Center name rights is a big deal. Eminem as a partner is a big deal. Even Matt Damon was a big deal. All these things help get more eyes, more attractiveness to Crypto.com, and people will start Googling the Crypto.com name more, potentially downloading the app, potentially buying tokens through Crypto.com, and potentially buying the CRO Coin token itself, which is what we're hoping for, guys. So this is part of the reason I think is showing some strength today, and obviously some news publications like The Block are writing this. Eminem replaces Matt Damon as the Crypto.com celebrity spokesperson. Global star Eminem posted a new Crypto.com advertisement to X. Crypto.com said the ad will premiere Saturday during the Los Angeles Lakers NBA playoff game. So they're getting into the playoff games with a new ad. It's a beautiful thing, and there's Eminem in there. It's absolutely spectacular, guys. This is such a great thing. More great press for Crypto.com, and it comes on a day where one of the meme tokens on CRONOS that I predicted did a stream earlier to celebrate this victory, guys, for the CRONOS community. It got listed on Crypto.com, certainly probably helping the whole CRONOS ecosystem today. As you can see, there's a couple that are big and green today as well. But guys, you know, this is coming after Crypto.com just had this article written about them, which is Crypto.com faces money laundering inspection, delay South Korean launch. I don't think this is going to be a problem. I think this is a news story that's legitimate. It's a real thing. South Korea is being tentative to let Crypto.com in because they want to make sure all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted. I think I said that right. And that's fine. I mean, that's what Crypto.com wants as well. And so I think they're going to sort this out. It's going to delay it, obviously. But, guys, we got a lot more bull market left. And the inspection was initiated on April 23rd. The exchange was supposed to be launched by April 29th. But now we're going to see, maybe it's going to be sometime probably the next month. I think they're going to get it figured out rather quickly. It seems like by the language that I've been seeing, it could get solved next month. It could get solved in the next 2 months, which would, again, be a great thing to bring more users to this ecosystem and more users to the CRONOS coin. Bitcoin, again, is trading in this range. So unless we slip down to 52K, I expect CRO to continue to hold strong, and it really is holding decently strong versus Bitcoin. I have a little wedge drawn here on CRO versus Bitcoin chart. We haven't truly broken down out of this in any significant way. We're still hanging on As for CRO versus the dollar, we're just stuck at 12 cents right now, waiting to see what Bitcoin does next. But these partnerships certainly are significant. They are certainly going to help the cause, guys. If you're holding CRO Coin, you like to see more marketing partnerships. You like to see new ad campaigns, and you like to see it during huge events like the NBA playoffs, and you like to see it, at any chance really you get more new ads, more new celebrity partnerships. These are all great things, guys. Crypto.com entering a new market soon, hopefully sooner rather than later. Things are looking decent, guys. The story is this. We're looking for a broader crypto bull market, and we believe that Crypto.com's CRO Coin is going to perform well alongside Bitcoin, other altcoins. The overall crypto market should break its previous all-time highs if history repeats itself for these crypto 4-year cycles like we've been talking about for the last 2 years. Over 3,200 videos, guys. Are you ready? Let me know what you think about this story in the comments down below, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. If you want to become a member on this channel, you can become a member in the link in the description down below to support this type of content and join us in our private Discord. When you become a member, you can also sign up for FEMEX, get a sign-up deposit bonus when you deposit money into that exchange using our referral link down below. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.